Agnes. We are from MES High School, and we will be talking about the six methods which are used worldwide in case of English teaching, effective English teaching. So these six methods are: first is a direct method, second is total physical response, third is gamification, next is a natural approach, next is a task-based learning, and the last one is technology enhanced language learning. So when it comes, as NEP keeps on telling us that you have to make students understand all the languages, it believes in multidisciplinary approach. In case of after multidisciplinary approach also, I am talking about six methods which highlight English teaching. So in gamification method, the focus is on making students understand certain things through games. So students are given access to so many interactive games like Moodle, Duolingo, certain platforms like this, and then students can learn through it. And the next method is technology enhanced language learning. So it uses all the softwares like Grammarly, Wikipedia, YouTube, using Brainly, using all these softwares, incorporation of all these softwares and websites into English teaching. How students will be able to understand and learn from this, and how these softwares are teaching friendly also. So in case of next first software is Grammarly. Grammarly is a grammar software. It helps students also, it helps teachers also if they want to create a content which is based on grammar. Then Brainly is the software which gives you ready-made answers. eBalbharati is a software which gives us PDF soft textbooks which we have in our curriculum. All of us have already used Google Classrooms and Google Forms when we were online teaching in COVID times. After that comes the Pedagogical. Pedagogical is a YouTube channel which is very much useful to teach grammar content to so many grammars to teach grammar content. Then so much amount of information can be drawn from Wikipedia. After that, then BBC Learning English is also a YouTube channel which is very helpful in English language learning. After that, Udemy and Coursera are the apps which gives you different courses which are language based, and those are for all students. Those are for primary section also, those are for secondary section also. Then Merriam-Webster dictionary, then Oxford English Medium dictionary, all those dictionaries are available online. With the help of such softwares and websites, you as a teacher also, I can enhance the learning effect of students, and students can also get so much information and so much learning from all these platforms. Yeah, and these are my favorite quotes which I have mentioned over here, and these certain slogans we have created according to NEP, and these are certain quotes which are related to education.
First method is sandpit method. In this method, we will be giving the students, first we will be writing A, then the student will also doing the same pattern over here A. Okay, in the next method are some modules of the animals. In this, we will be teaching them what are the wild animals, then those students will be picking up the wild animals. What are the domestic animals, then the students will be picking up domestic animals. What are the sea animals, then the students will be picking up the sea models. Okay, now see, these are the flashcards, but these flashcards are a little bit different. In this, you can write it on it, you can scribble, the students can scribble on it, and even when it is improper, the students can scribble it up. So these are the new era of learning. These are the vegetable modules. Suppose if we want to teach the students about the colors, if I ask them what are the green vegetables, then the students will be showing the green vegetables. If I ask the students what are the red vegetables, then the students will be picking up the red modules. Now here are some spelling puzzles along with the pictures. I'll ask the students to put it together. Then the students are going to put it together and they are going to read out the spellings. So these are the new modules which we will be using for pre-primary as well as primary. Apart from the textbooks and notebooks, these methods are really beneficial, and these methods are really
So, as a teachers in our school, it is our responsibility, and from now onwards also, people also we call this